Hi everyone, good morning. Happy Thursday morning. Look, it's frozen everywhere due to the freezing rain yesterday. Look, it's frozen and it's hard to walk because it's slippery. Look, it's slippery, but there, I think they put salt. Oh my goodness, I just underestimated. My goodness. See, look at the car, it's really frozen. Okay, my goodness. Look, it's frozen the car. See, look, you can see. I can hear the ice falling down when the tree is shaking. Look, look at that, look at that, look, look. It's very funny due to the freezing rain. Look, see, imagine the tree is windy and shaking. You can hear the ice falling from the tree. Oh, look at the car. What is the car? Oh my goodness. It's good because they put already salt on. You see, the black one is a salt. So, good morning, happy Thursday. Oh, you see, the ice is falling, so I cannot look at the ground. The ice is falling from the tree. Oh my goodness, that's the ice falling from the tree. It's hurt when it's fall on you. Look, that's from the tree. Look, it's also on the road. Look at the road. Oh my goodness. Look, this is from the tree. So I cannot walk really fast because it's slippery. Everything is frozen. I don't like frozen thing. Oh, I have to off it now because I'm gonna be out of storage.